What? Guys, I ended up getting this energy sword. This thing is so sick. What in the world? This thing is so cool. Guys, if you are a Halo fan, you gotta check this out. The ultimate desk lamp is finally here. This is the Halo Energy Sword Covenant. Jeez. I gotta open this thing up and see what this is all about. This is the LED light, the 3.5 scale. This thing is 14 inches tall. I mean, come on. This is as real life as it gets. This is definitely going right by my Xbox. I got a Master Chief over there. This is gonna sit perfectly by him. All right, guys, so just taking a quick look at the box. This thing is pretty cool, and we're gonna get this thing opened up. It does come with a USB cable. It's a nice desk lamp that is gonna illuminate your room. Perfect for a game room, gift, office, whatever. Any Halo fan. This is inspired by the Halo Infinite Type 1 sword. So as we open this up, we're gonna have instructions, and here it is. Wow. I've been a Halo fan ever since Halo 2 for me. Okay, so first off, we are gonna have the USB cable. Then we got an on-off switch, which is really nice. Cable looks pretty long. So this comes in a really nice packaging. Wow, that is so cool. You know I gotta give it one of these. Wow. So they say this isn't a toy, so, you know, shouldn't be wielding your melee weapon, but it does fit in the hand nicely. And it looks like we have a gloss gray on the bottom. Has a nice padded actually material to sit on the desk. And you can just see the purple and the blue highlights. This thing is really something special. All right, so this cable is gonna be 6 feet long. It's gonna provide you with a lot of reach to the outlet. And we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. Plug it in there, and we got our switch. Turn it on. Whoa! That is so cool. Oh, geez. I am just a huge Halo fan, and this is something that's really special. I love this. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up in a better spot so we can take a good look at it. All right, guys, there it is. Got the Master Chief holding the controller right behind him, and this energy sword is huge. So that guy is like 8 inches. This is 14. Wow. Taking a look at that purple and blue. It lights up quite a bit. It looks like it doesn't go all the way to the tip, but it goes up there pretty high. I like the details in the handle. This looks really, really cool. Oh, I absolutely love this. If you're a huge Halo fan, this is gonna be the perfect desk lamp for you to add in your game room, office, or just somewhere in your house. And if you know someone that's a huge Halo fan, this is gonna be the perfect gift. I guarantee you they're gonna love that. The reaction's gonna be perfect, and it'll be so worth it. This is definitely the gift that keeps on giving. I love this thing. Go and check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.